This is a guide on how you can limit data usage on your Android phone. Let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe, we can get started. So of course we get inside of our settings app as usual, and all of the different menus are in here, but what we need to click on is the connections right there, literally the first thing from the list. And below you can find the data usage, so we need to expand it like this. And we have all of the different data, right? Like how much has been used through the mobile data and all of the other things. But as well, we tap on the mobile data usage like this. And in the top right corner, we have the little gear icon for the settings. So this is what we need to expand like that. And these are the options which we care about. So at first we have the set a data warning. So you can choose when you get a notification about your data usage. So you're going to decide that after you use up 2 gigabytes of your mobile data, you're going to get a pop-up notification letting you know about it, so you can potentially limit the usage. And below you can also see we have the set data limit, which isn't just a notification, but it's also actual limit. Right, so if you enable it, you can choose the very same thing, right? You can choose it in megabytes or gigabytes, but let's say that I'm going to keep it at 5 gigs. So at 2 gigabytes, I get a warning to perhaps slow down my usage, but at 5 gigs, it's going to be limited. So it is up to you to decide how exactly it's going to go, but that is how you can manage it. Also, don't forget about the billing cycle, because you can also choose when your data plan resets. For a lot of people, it's going to be on the first day of the month, right? So you get a new data every month, sort of. So you can also take that into account in here. So that is how it would work. Let me know if you managed to set it up on your device. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.